Hello, my name is Nicolas Andres Acosta Rizan. I am going to teach you how to prepare a south fresh corn salad and chicken. I hope you like it. The first thing you must take into account is the ingredients. For two people, you need sweet corn on the cob, 1/2 teaspoon sweet paprika, 1/4 teaspoon hot paprika, 1/4 teaspoon ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon ground coriander, roast or cooked chicken breast, small oak leaf lechuc, 3 tomato pear, 3 grams of goat cheese, olive oil, ground black pepper, and finally salt. Once you have obtained these ingredients, you can start cooking by following these steps. First, total time 30 minutes, elaboration 10 minutes, cooking 20 minutes. Remove the leaves from the cod and the filaments. Cut the base watch add with oil and head a griddle over medium height head. Cook the cod with a pinch of salt, turning it to brown well all over. It will take about 15 at 20 minutes. Remove take the opportunity to grill the chicken while it cools if it is not already cooked. Remove the grains by means of straight cuts with a good knife vertically, leaving the steam clean. Heat a frying pan with a little oil and add the grains, stirring carefully to separate them completely. Add all the pieces, season and saute for 8 at 10 minutes. And finally, prepare the salad by washing the lechuc while cutting the chicken into strips or shredding it. Wash and chop 2 tomatoes. Place a base of well-drained leaves. Distribute the corn, tomato and chicken, add the goat cheese and season to taste, and you will finish the recipe.